Hey folks, welcome back for sales taxes payable, which is a portion of current liabilities. Okay, sometimes this can get confusing, and it's really the thing that makes it the most confusing is the way the problems are written. So let's take a few minutes and look at the two different ways that sales taxes are generally handled. Okay, the first way is one that you're probably most familiar with. You're going to go to a store, purchase a taxable item, and on your receipt you're going to see the total sales, the total sales tax, and the total you are actually going to pay. So if we look at this, let's pretend that our sales are 200. Okay, this is for version 1 right here. $230. We're going to add 5% sales tax, which is $12. And the total proceeds that are collected by the store is 105%, which is $242. So what happens, and the way that the problems are typically written, it's going to say that the company enters sales and sales taxes separately on the cash register. So the sales are going to be entered first at $230. And they'll tell you that the sales tax rate is 5%, so you'll enter this next. Sales taxes payable $230 at 5% is $12, and then the cash is entered last because it's the sum of the sales tax and the sales. Okay, that one's not too difficult. It's pretty easy to do. Not bad. Okay, so the second one, so this is what we're going to look at, this column right here for the second one. And the way you encounter this is that when you go to a fair and you buy items at a booth, the booth simply charges one set fee, and then they're going to back out the sales taxes from the amount collected from each customer. So the customer doesn't really know how much sales tax was collected. So the company does not enter the sales tax separately in the cash register. Only the total proceeds are entered into the register. So let's say the customer purchased a $40 item from a booth at a fair, and I want you to prepare the entry to record the sale if the sales tax rate is 5%. Okay, so on this one, we're going to enter the proceeds first, the $40. And notice the $40 represents the 105%. It's the sale plus the sales tax. Okay, next we're going to figure out how much the sale was. So if I take the $40 and divide it by 1.05, that will tell me that the sale was $38. And then you enter sales taxes payable last, and it's simply, you can compute it two different ways. You can take $38 times 5%, and that'll give you $2, or you can take 40 minus 38 to get the $2. Either way, the math will work because your sales is considered to be 100%, the sales tax is 5, total proceeds is 105 that's collected. Okay. I wish you the best with your reading and comprehension, and that takes care of videos for current liabilities. I hope they were helpful. Come back again. Bye.